In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working TorGuard promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and here at the search bar enter TorGuard promo code and then hit search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites, contains promo codes, and now here you can open up any of that sites to see the promo codes, and here as you can see I got 50 different promo codes. I can scroll down right here to see them all, and for example the first promo code on the top of the page gives me 50% off on TorGuard stuff. And now I can hit at that promo code. There I can hit on copy to copy them to clipboard, and now I can move to TorGuard website and then buy their stuff. And when you are ready to pay the money, just don't forget to enter the promo code and double check if the promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on that or another website and try to use another promo code from the list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.